2026 results are out finally. So normally, I mean, this is the trend. एक महीने के बाद exactly एक महीने बाद last year भी the marks were out. This year also exactly after 1 month, the marks are out. These are the provisional scores which can be challenged, and these are not the final scores. But there is a shocking trend this year. This year, very clearly, the paper INMO 2026 six paper was difficult than last year. In fact, the median scores overall is also less than what it was last year. But I mean, it might be biased from Vedantu Olympiad School students because अभी जितने भी हमने results compile किए हैं उसमें यार एक चीज़ मैं बता रहा हूँ बच्चों के मार्क्स बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं for some reason, right? So we are still compiling the scores. As soon as we are able to compile the scores, I will be able to tell you the exact, I mean, what we expect the cutoffs to be. But Abhi, so far, of all the students who were, in touch with us, the so-called usual suspects, seven of our students are scoring 50 plus marks. Okay, seven of our students are getting 50 plus scores so far of all the results which have been compiled. The compilation is still ongoing, and once it is completed, we will be able to tell you the exact idea of the cutoffs. But again, हो सकता है कि हमने उन्हीं बच्चों को कॉल किया है, उन्हीं बच्चों ने हमें कॉल किया जो जिनका पता था कि they will be able to get good scores. But again, marks बहुत ज़्यादा आ रहे हैं यार बच्चों के. Given that this paper was very difficult, still a lot of our students have been scoring, 7 of the students have above 50 scores so far. कितना कट ऑफ जाएगा एग्जैक्ट आइडिया मैं मोस्ट लाइकली इफ वी आर एबल टू कंपाइल द रिजल्ट्स टुडे I will be able to give you by evening or maybe by tomorrow. But yes, so this year a couple of things that they've done which I've really liked. मैं एक बार दिखा देता हूँ. So this is the side SBCSA का side. So one is the final solution. So जो भी पहले जो solution थे provisional solution थे, so they put out the final solutions. जो भी बच्चों ने advise किया था जो multiple solution थे उसके हिसाब से their solutions, final solutions have been out. Another good thing that they've done this year is the list of the common errors. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर whatever the common errors are, so that because बहुत सारे बच्चों को ना ये लगता है कि our solutions were right and they've solved but they've not been able to get marks. So they've put out the common errors of most of the students. यहाँ पे तुम देख सकते हो, and then on the basis of this you can always decide whether you want to go for the reeval or no. Right, so revaluation में we have seen students जिनके marks improve हुए हैं. In fact, there was a student last to last year. He so उसके single digit marks थे, but again after giving it for revaluation because we knew that there was something wrong in the revaluation, he became an INMO body. Right, so we've seen students whose scores have improved. But one thing that they've done really wonderful is they've put out the common mistakes so that if you made these mistakes, you know that ki marks improve nahi honge, right? So you can take the informed decision. Okay, so again for the students who've joined, this is an amazing news. I don't know it is going to be amazing or not because marks बहुत ज़्यादा हैं बच्चों के. हमने the intensity of 50 plus scores is amazing. Last year I think we had only one. Anik was the only one who had 55 score, 50 plus score. There was only one. This is we have 7 students as of now. अभी तक 7 बच्चों के already 50 plus scores हम compile कर चुके हैं, and students are scoring in 30s, 40s also. But it is going to be another historic year as far as VOS results in INMO are concerned. So we are, fingers crossed. Let's see what happens. But now, guys, there are going to be 2 kinds of students. One is who've given INMO and are scoring above 40. 40-45 के ऊपर स्कोर कर रहे हैं, तो उनको IMO TC के लिए इमिडिएटली प्रिपरेशन कर लेना चाहिए. हम अपनी तरफ से वी विल बी ऑफ कोर्स डूइंग समथिंग फॉर दीज स्टूडेंट्स. लास्ट ईयर भी हमने किया था. वी मेड देम प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट ऑफ IMO TC TSTs. This year also will be doing the same for them. The students who have not been able to get good marks but thought they would get good marks, they should consider reevaluation. Again on the basis of what they've also put out the official key. They've also put out the common mistakes. तो उनको एक बार analyze कर लो, and if you think that your solution is correct, you should definitely go for evaluation. Right, so that is another thing. And the third category, the students who were not able to do well. I know a lot of students who we thought would be able to do really well, but again it happens, right? So these kind of exams, it is very difficult to be consistent, because they're very difficult exams, because if you stop at one solution and spend one problem and spend enough time, you get lost. And it happens, it is going to happen with you in life also, the same thing. So there's a lot of learnings, and it is okay to, not get good marks in this kind of exam, because this is one of the toughest exams you ever are going to face in your life, right? So learnings. So again, but don't worry, there's always a next time. आई नो, बुरा लगता है, कई कई बच्चों को शॉक भी लगेगा कि एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे होंगे बट मार्क्स कम आए थे, उन्होंने मिस्टेक्स भी बता दिए. बट डू नॉट गिव अप. दैट इज वन ऑफ द थिंग्स विच दिस एग्जाम टीचेस अस, दिस प्रिपरेशन टीचेस अस, दैट नॉट टू गिव अप easily. So do not give up, rise. And we have seen enough stories of the students who've not been able to do really well because of some reason, but they've come back really strong. And hard work, preparation, not giving up is the key thing. Okay, chalo, take care, god bless you, bye everyone. As I mentioned, we are still compiling the scores. Once we have compiled all the scores, we will be able to give you a good idea about the cutoffs. Take care, god bless you, bye everyone.